who is having all this money to buy houses like 800,000 with cash? And where do they get the money? I get this question asked all the time. I have to be honest. Some of them are my clients. I sold him a house like 3 years before, and he calls me and he says, Dagmara, I have just made 500,000 on Bitcoin or whatever else it was, which I have no idea about. Dagmara, I made this money and I need to spend it as soon as possible. And the best way to spend it is to buy another property. Within 2 weeks, we were under contract. This guy was crazy. I have clients who are in their 60s and they bought their house when they were in their 20s for $20,000. And now this house is worth $1 million and it's paid off. So they sell their current house and they have all this cash to compete against all the other buyers. One of my investors bought a 2-family home before the boom, right before COVID. This 2-family home was, I believe, $265, and now he just sold it for $850 because it's in a great neighborhood and it appreciated so much. And the market is crazy. So he made $600,000 on the house and now we are purchasing something else with cash. So that's where people are getting the money.